Already got the Ernie Ball short scale regular Slinky bass strings. Bass strings are kind of a personal thing. I'm not really someone that needs to buy the same exact string every time. I've used Ernie Ball, I've used GHS, I've used pretty much everything out there. And sometimes I'll even use long scale strings on my short scale basses, but we're gonna check them out. These go from 105 to 45. We got an 85, that is an A, 65 is the D, 45 is the G, 105 is the E, obviously. Each of the strings come individually wrapped, and if you're like me, you take your old strings and throw them in one of these and stuff them in the gig bag for when you need them later. So this is a 30-inch scale bass, but these things are long enough to accommodate a 32.5-inch scale bass like a Rickenbacker. Looking at from the end of my bass string to my E string right here is 34 inches. This E string is 44 inches, so I got an extra 10 inches here. And I just laid the A out. It's also a little over 44 inches, another 9 inches on that. So perfect for this 30-inch scale, short scale bass. The E string on this is actually tapered down so it's small enough to fit inside of the hole, just like this, for when you tune it up, so that makes it a lot easier. Ernie Ball, regular Slinky, short scale bass strings.